Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so listen, we're locked in the house, right? My supermarket closes at 6 o'clock. So how's a girl gonna get some ice cream? Huh? I was craving some ice cream. I can't go get any, but you know what? I have some ingredients in here, so we are gonna make some strawberry banana ice cream in the Ninja. How about that? So I'm going to show you how to do it, so the next time you go to the grocery store, you're going to have your supplies ready in the house, and when you have that craving, you can make your ice cream. And let's face it, there's lots of flavors that you can't buy in the grocery store, but you can make it, okay? Alright, so let's get started. It's great having you around. Thank you for all of your comments and your help and your devotion. It's just wonderful, 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 wonderful. And Roger, I want to tell you thank you for your donation today. I appreciate it, okay? And if anyone else out there would like to support this channel in any way, hit the links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon link, and you can follow the prompts. If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you, okay, with open arms, and welcome to the family in advance, alright? And share the video. Everybody wants to know how to make ice cream the easy way. Now, when I was growing up, when you made ice cream, you had this big, it was like a bucket, and it had a turn thing on it. You put the ice in there, the rock salt in there, and you turn and turn for hours. Not necessary with the Ninja. We're going to get that done in a few minutes. Okay? Alright. Can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, let me show you what we're working with. This is a 2-pound bag of whole strawberries. Okay, we're not going to use the whole bag, of course, but I just wanted to show you what we're working with. This is strawberry syrup, like you put over top of ice cream. We're going to put this inside for our flavor. Okay, so let's say if you was making vanilla ice cream, you'd use vanilla extract, right? So in this case, I don't have strawberry extract, but I do have strawberry syrup, and this is also going to make up for the sugar. Okay, let me see how much sugar is in this. 25 grams, plenty of sugar. This is our whipping cream. So you can make ice cream with whipping cream or heavy cream. Heavy cream and whipping cream is the same when it comes to desserts. All right. Okay, and these are my frozen bananas. I'll show you when I take them out. You just take the ripe bananas and you put them in the freezer and freeze them, because you need frozen fruit to make ice cream. Okay, because you want it frozen, right? Okay, so let's get started. Let's get the party started. So the first thing I want to do is let me put some liquid in first, because I want it to be able to spin freely on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to pour this in, the strawberry syrup in, and we're going to count to 3. We're going to count 1, 2, 3 at that speed. Ready? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Got that in. Now, let's put some strawberries in there. I have a measuring cup. I don't know if that'll work or not. Maybe not. Maybe it will. Okay, it went in. So we're going to put 2 of these heaping cups in. Okay. 1. Lost one. 2. Okay, 2. This is a 1 cup measure, so 2 running over cups of strawberries. Alright, we got that done. Now we're going to add the bananas. So this is my frozen bananas. I'm going to try to break it in half. Yep, it broke. So we're going to put that in. So that equals 1 banana. I can tell by the size. So that's 1.5 bananas we're putting in. Okay. Okay, now we have our whipping cream. My measuring cup again. Okay, I'm gonna pour that's 3/4 cup. I think that might be plenty because remember the whipping cream is going to double in size. And we'll see if we have to make any adjustments after this. Okay, so it's all in. I'm going to put my top on. And let me let you know the Ninja is loud, okay? Alright, so we're going to hit, I have the frozen drink here button. So we're going to hit the frozen drink button first. That's to break up all the frozen fruit. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to stop it because I can clearly see it does stop and go automatically itself, but I also can see that it wasn't moving freely. So I want to add just maybe 1/4 cup of water. Because remember, you have the frozen strawberries and the frozen bananas. So that may need some adjustments. Alright, we put the water in. I'm going to hit frozen again. Moving back. Okay, I want to take a look and see what's going on. Okay, the top fruit is not going down at all, so we're going to need more liquid. Yeah, definitely. But let me just show you, because I want you to see. See what I'm talking about? So you can see here, it's breaking down, right? But here, it's not getting broken down, the top fruit, okay? So we're going to add another 1/4 cup of water. And I'm just going to put half of that in for now because, you know, it's easy to put more in, but you can't do nothing if you overwater it. Okay, here we go. Frozen. Okay, I think I want to hit boost. That will solve the problem. Boost. Take a look. Okay, I still have frozen fruit here on the top. Definitely. But it's almost broken down, but not quite. So you know the balance of that 1/4 water that I left in here? We're going to put that in. Alright. And while I'm at it, why don't I taste it? I'll put my spoon way down and get the bottom. It is definitely not sweet enough. So I'm going to add some more syrup. And I'm going to have to add something more to sweeten that up because the syrup is not going to be enough alone. Okay, so I have 2 packages of sugar substitute. It's called Nature Blue. You can add any kind of sweetener you like. Maybe you want to add honey or you want to add regular sugar. That's up to you. Okay, so I added those 2 packages and some more syrup. Oops. Okay, we're going to hit boost again. Okay, I have another spoon. We're going to taste it. Oh, wow. The flavor's almost there, but not quite, guys. I'm still not tasting it. It's not sweet enough. Putting some more syrup in there. Now, how much syrup you put in there is up to you, okay? Because you know how you like stuff, whether you like it sweet, not so sweet, or in between. Okay, so now that's probably equivalent of, I'd say, a 1/2 cup of syrup total and 4 packs of sugar substitute total. I'm putting these last 2 in. That makes 4. And I'm pretty sure that will get it where we want it to be. I think we're going to be good. Okay, I'm going to taste it the last time. It's definitely thick enough. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, it tastes like strawberry ice cream. Let me put that in a container and show you. You are going to love this. Please make you some. So let's talk about the variations of ice cream that you can make. Everything. You can make vanilla. If you make vanilla, you just use the whipping cream, and you're gonna have to use something to get it thick, right? So you might want to take the whipping cream and put it in the ice trays and freeze it first, and then use it that way. Put some vanilla extract and some sweetener in there, and you got vanilla ice cream. If you want to make maple ice cream, or you just use the maple extract. If you want to make walnut, you just get the point, right? So you can make many variations of ice cream. Alright, so let me put that in an ice cream container and let you see. And I gotta give you the word of the day. 1 second. Guys, look at that. Will you? Oh my, 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 my. Does that look good or what? Can you imagine that? You can make that right at your house. Okay, so let me taste it. Here we go. Guys, I want to show you how many containers I made. I have 4 of these. 4 containers with the strawberry ice cream in it. Okay? That's 2, 4. So remember, we only used a cup of the whipped cream, right? That whipped cream was $2.99 for the, what is that, a pint? 16 ounces. Okay, so we used 8 ounces of the whipped cream. We used maybe a half a cup of strawberry syrup. I believe this is like maybe $2.99 also. And a cup is probably about that much, so you can see how much we still have left. So we'd say we used about $1 worth of the syrup. So let's do the math. So that's $1.50, $2.50, and the bag of strawberries was I think it was $3.99. So that's $2. So let's just say we used half the bag of strawberries. So that's $2. So we're at $2.50. That's $4.50, right? And a couple of packages of sugar. $4.75, and we got enough ice cream for these for the family. How about that, huh? Pretty good. Okay, I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, bye. Okay, look at that, guys. Look how thick it is. See what I'm talking about? Oh! Wow. Wow. Oh, that's so good, guys. I'm telling you. And yes, you can put this in the freezer. So if you put it in the freezer, when you get ready to eat it, if it's really frozen solid, because remember, it doesn't have any filler in it like the ice cream you buy at the store. You're just going to take it out, put it in the Ninja for 1 minute or 2 minutes. It'll get back to a nice consistency and have fun. Will you look at that? Wow. Okay. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day, we have to now, due to the sickness nationwide, get our enjoyment right from home. So normally, you know, if you wanted some ice cream and you can just run out to the grocery store and get it. Now the grocery store is closed at a certain time. You can't do that. Or you may go to an ice cream parlor. So now I think life is teaching us how we can get all the pleasures we need at home. Okay? Such as making your own ice cream. How about that, huh? So if you don't know how to do that, don't worry. Grandma Ray is going to show you how to do all that, because I'm here for you. Okay? So that is the word of the day. Make your own ice cream. Get all your pleasures in your house so that you can enjoy them in your house, because you can't go nowhere. Okay? I hope you like that. I hope you like the ice cream, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Yes, yes, give this a big thumbs up. I want you to do me a favor. Share the video. So you may say, well, I don't have a Ninja. Okay, well, maybe you have a blender. Maybe you have a food processor. Use what you have. The idea is to just make the ice cream. I gave you the ideas. I showed you how I did it. You can make it your own if you like, okay? All right, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.